Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dividend stocks and how they can help you generate passive income. Whether you're looking for long-term investments or short-term gains, dividend stocks can be a valuable addition to your portfolio. In this video, we'll explain the concept of dividend stocks, discuss their benefits, and provide you with examples of both long-term and short-term dividend stocks. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe so you don't miss out on important regular videos. So, let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what dividend stocks are. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to their shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can be paid out on a regular basis, providing investors with a consistent stream of passive income. Now, let's explore the benefits of investing in dividend stocks. One of the main advantages is the potential for long-term growth. By investing in reputable companies that consistently increase their dividends, you can benefit from both regular income and the appreciation of your investment over time. Dividend stocks can also be appealing for short-term investors. Some companies offer special dividends or increased dividend payments due to extraordinary profits or successful business ventures. These short-term opportunities can be attractive for investors looking to capitalize on immediate gains. Now, let's look at some examples of long-term dividend stocks. One well-known long-term dividend stock is Johnson & Johnson, J&J. This healthcare giant has a history of consistently increasing its dividends for over 50 years. Companies like Johnson & Johnson are considered stable investments, providing reliable income and potential for capital appreciation. Another example of a long-term dividend stock is Procter & Gamble, PG. As a consumer goods company, PG has a strong market presence and generates substantial cash flow. It has been increasing its dividends for over 60 consecutive years, making it a favorite among long-term dividend investors. Now, let's shift our focus to short-term dividend stocks. One example is Apple Incorporated, AAPL. While Apple is known for its technological innovations, it has also been paying dividends since 2012. In recent years, Apple has increased its dividend payouts, making it an attractive choice for investors seeking short-term dividend opportunities. Another short-term dividend stock example is Coca-Cola, KO. As a global beverage company, Coca-Cola has a long history of paying dividends. In certain years, they have provided special dividends to reward shareholders, presenting short-term profit opportunities for investors. Remember, when investing in dividend stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your investment goals. Long-term dividend stocks like Johnson & Johnson and Procter & Gamble can provide stability and steady income, while short-term dividend stocks like Apple and Coca-Cola can present unique profit opportunities. In conclusion, dividend stocks offer the potential for both long-term growth and short-term gains. Whether you're aiming for steady income or capitalizing on specific opportunities, incorporating dividend stocks into your investment strategy can help you generate passive income. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update.